And the Season 100 MVP is... Allen Liwag of the Benilde Blazers! In his return after a year of residency, normalizing a double-double when he is in action. 14 points, 11 rebounds were his averages with 1.2 blocks per game, but more importantly, he propelled that Blazers team to the finals of Season 100. A phenomenal season for Allen Liwag. From a promising prospect to now the most valuable player of the NCAA. We thank our presenters for joining us here, but Allen, please remain there at center court because Allen Liwag is also the Executive Optical Most Valuable Player of the Season. Allen will be receiving a cash prize of 50,000 pesos from EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. Thank you so much and congratulations. Okay. Let's talk to our MVP, Allen Liwag of the Benilde Blazers. Allen, your family is here. They've been here all season long. Mamaya natin sila pag-uusapan. But I mentioned earlier, from a promising prospect, you had a growth spurt during the pandemic. You came back, you were 6'7" already. Now, you're MVP. Na-imagine mo ba itong mangyayari sa karera mo sa basketball?
Nung lumipat ako sa Benilde, talagang sinabi ko sa sarili ko na gagawin ko lang lahat para sa school. And ayun, sobrang grateful lang ako sa award na to.
Okay, it wasn't easy. Allen, napakarami mong challenges ngayong Season 100, including the defenses of the team. Talk about the Benilde and how they're supporting you all throughout this journey.
Ayun, syempre sobrang nagpapasalamat lang din ako kay Lord sa blessing na to. And syempre sa teammates ko, na kasi hindi ko naman ito makukuha kundi dahil sa kanila. And sila yung dahilan kung ba't ko nakuha itong award na to. And yung coaches ko, grabe yung tiwala sa akin. And talagang binabalik ko lang talaga yung tiwala nila sa akin. And sobrang nagpapasalamat din ako sa family ko and lalo-lalo kay mama at papa. Para sa inyo to.
Allen, alam ko kung ano yung mas gusto mo. Hindi lang ito mga tropeyong ito. You want the championship. What do we expect from the MVP later in game number 2 and from your team as well?
Siguro yung naging performance ko nung game 1, baga dodobling ko, it's now or never na eh. Yun na yung mindset ko eh. Gagawin ko na lahat para sa school namin, para sa Benilde. And yun, talagang ibubuhos ko na lahat.
Allen, it's been a spectacular season for you. Eto na, chance mo ng pasalamatan yung mga sumuporta sa'yo all season long. Simulan mo na dito sa Barangay Liwag na talagang nakasuporta day 1 pa lang ng torneo natin. Go ahead.
Ayun, sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin all throughout the season and sa family ko, and sa CSB community, sa bosses, and sa coaches, and sa teammates ko. And maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen, mga ka-NCAA, your Season 100 MVP, Allen Liwag!